What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Shandell. Thank you for watching another one of my videos. Today is Friday and I'm excited as always. I'm always saying I'm excited in my videos, but I'm excited today because I'm doing something to myself, getting myself together, and I'm looking pretty cute. Done did my makeup. So I'm about to go ahead and style my hair. I already washed it. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So let's get into it. Starting off, I don't have anything on my lips because I wanted to show y'all how great this Pixie by Petra works. It's in the color Sheer Rose and I love it so much. It came in my Ipsy bag. So I'm just gonna show y'all how good it works. It's on so smooth and it looks so good. Can y'all see that shine? Yeah, so I'm loving this. I just wanted to show y'all just in case I ain't know if I was just late to the party or if, you know, everybody been knew about this stuff, but there's some good stuff. So go ahead and get you some if you haven't used it yet. Pixie by Petra, and this is Sheer Rose. I like it because it kind of blends in with the color of my lips. It's kind of like a natural tint, and it also smells like mint, and it makes your breath kind of smell good too. Not that my breath stinks, but you know, makes your breath smell good. Other than that, I've already washed my hair like I said, so I'm just about to go ahead and style my hair. I'm gonna be using the Aunt Jackie's curl maintenance. It's flaxseed recipe, and also the flaxseed recipe don't shrink flaxseed elongating curling gel. So this is supposed to elongate your curls and make them nice and defined and elongated and give you a long wash and go. And this is also, the curl maintenance says anti-poof defining curl whip. So this is for anti-frizz hair. All of these products are paraben, sulfate, mineral oil, and also petroleum free. So that is really good. They're good products for your hair. They don't have a lot of bad ingredients in it. And these products are enriched with flaxseed, argan oil, shea butter, and mango butter. And they claim to smooth and define frizzy hair. I use these for a style. I did like a little two bun style, and I posted pictures on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, go do that now. Well, not right now, but when you finish watching this video, or push pause and come back or something, yeah. But then I decided to do a wash and go, and it was just supposed to be like a quick wash and go. So I just did my hair into 4 sections and didn't do as smaller sections as usual. So the wash and go didn't come out good, long story short. It didn't come out good. Glad I didn't film it and waste my time. I'm gonna try this again. These products, I've been seeing them a lot and I really wanna have faith in them. I wanna know that they work. So, and I got them, I already bought them, so gotta use it anyway. So I'm gonna use them today to do a style, and I'm gonna show you guys how to kind of spice up your wash and go, and that way wash day isn't so boring with just the normal wash and go. So if you're interested in seeing this video, seeing this hairstyle, then just keep watching. To begin, I'm just starting off on my wet, clean hair. It is all washed and clean. Now I just want to be sure that my part is straight in the front, because I'm going to be doing a parted 2-bun hairstyle, half up, half down. Right now I'm just sectioning my hair off, and I'm sectioning it off into the back section and then putting the front part that I'm going to use for the bun up in the front. I'm spritzing it with water to be sure that my hair is completely ready for the product and also detangled. Now I'm just going to split this back section into 2 sections so that way I can work in a smaller portion to get better defined curls. And I'm going in and spritzing it with the water and also being sure that that section is detangled. Now I'm going in with the Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed Recipes Curl Maintenance Defining Curl Whip. This curl whip is pretty thick. This is how it looks. And I'm just rubbing this all into my hand and rubbing it all over the section. I'm rubbing it in to be sure that my hair gets extra defined and each piece is coated. And as you can see, my curls are popping for the most part right now. They're looking pretty good. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Don't Shrink Flaxseed recipe gel. And this gel is supposed to elongate your curls and help them not to have so much shrinkage. So I'm just applying this all over the section, and then I'm using my dimming brush to go in and add some extra definition. In my first impressions after using the dimming brush with these products, I didn't really like it at first. I had to go over each section a few times and just finger coil the pieces that were being frizzy and stubborn. It seems like the products weren't quite thick enough, or maybe it was the water base. It just seems like they didn't do too well at my roots. My roots really didn't want to stay down. They were still being frizzy, but ultimately I got it all right just by adding a little extra gel. Now I'm moving on to the next section, and I'm just spritzing it with water and being sure that it's detangled as I did with the last section, and then I'm going in with the Curl Maintenance Curl Defining Whip. And again, I'm just going in with the Don't Shrink Elongating Gel. And this is how my hair is looking after I finish those two sections. It's pretty defined and shiny, so I'm liking it. Now I'm just moving on and doing the exact same thing to the rest of the sections. And I'm just using smaller sections at the top because my hair tends to be a little tangly and undefined in the crown area. The gel does seem to be helping to elongate my curls, but with me using the dimming brush, it is going to provide a little bit more shrinkage, which is fine with me because you know I like that definition. Okay, y'all, so I'm all finished with this side, well, with this first piece that I started on, and it's looking really good. What y'all think? Comment down below and let me know what you think of how it's looking. But it's looking really, really good to me. It's looking a lot better than it did the first time when I did a wash and go using these products. So I'm happy about that. So moving right along, I'm gonna move on to the next section in the back and tying off the front section. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish this section by doing the same steps that I did on the other side, and then I'll be right back to finish the front. Look how this is shrinking up already. Okay, so I'm moving on to the front part of my hair. I'm checking to be sure that my parts are straight where I'm dividing my hair from the back and the front. Now I'm spritzing my hair with water just so it can absorb the product better. And then I'm going in with the Eco Styler gel just to give it a little bit of extra hold in the front. And if you don't know what the dimming brush is, that's what I'm using right now. This brush is so good for curly haired people. It really helps to define your curls. I don't know how, but it does. I'm using my 3-braid hair bows for this style just to kind of avoid any breakage or tangling. And I'm going through and applying the curl maintenance cream all through my hair. just to keep it very moisturized while it's styled. Next, I'm going in with my brush, my flat brush, and I'm just laying my edges just to keep everything slick and shiny. And now I'm just securing my hair off with the ponytail and putting it into a ponytail. I'm finger coiling some of the parts around my face just to give it a lot more definition in the parts that are going to be seen. Now it's time to focus on the ponytail and the definition in the ponytail. So I'm just using some extra gel and some cream and my diamond brush to go in and define the ponytail, like each section. I'm just running my diamond brush through small sections at a time to get the ultimate definition. Now I'm moving on to the next section, and I'm just going to do the same thing to this side to get a ponytail. I love doing this style because I can do the ponytails in the front right now, and then throughout the week I can switch it up and try buns or, you know, space buns or different types of buns, and also different ponytails, or change the hairstyle up to give me a different look each day. And unfortunately, this is where my phone died, so I didn't get videos of my hair when it was wet, but this is what it looks like after it dried. It is very defined and shiny. I like it. It does have a good bit of shrinkage, but I think the gel did what it said it would do as far as elongating my curls. But as you can see, it's really defined in the back and at the ends especially. And I'm really liking it. So as far as the Aunt Jackie's products, I would say you probably want to use a diamond brush, or, you know, just something that's going to give you a little bit of extra hold if you have thick hair like me or type 4 hair. But yeah, I really was pleased with the style and pleased with the products this time. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye. So, anyway.